Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Marisol here. I hope all is well. And for those who's new in my channel, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Marisol. So in today's video, this is gonna be a really new one. I was thinking that I need to clean my Louis Vuitton purses. I have few of them, and it's been a while. It's like 7 or 8 months the last time I had cleaned them, and we moved here in Vegas back in January of this year, and Vegas is really warm, and if you're not gonna clean your Louis Vuitton and they're just storing in the cabinet or something, the canvas will tend to crack or dry. So we have to condition and clean them once in a while. I haven't really think about that because I have so many priorities when we move out here, and luckily I remember to do it today, and I would love to show it to you guys, so you will see many different ways how to clean or condition your leather purses or Louis Vuitton bags. So if you want to see how I do it, come on, let's go start it. Alright mga loves, this is what it looks like. All this Louis Vuitton I have before I clean them, so you could see clearly how the canvas and the Vaquera leather looks like before cleaning them. It's been a while, I haven't cleaned them. I moved here back in January, and since then I haven't cleaned them. So it's like 7 months, and it's no good because it's drier in here, and the PVC or the leather of Louis Vuitton will tend to dry when you are not going to clean or condition the canvas. And all right, so let's get started. So here my Louis Vuitton purses mga love. So I have a Papillon here, it's the Papillon 30. I do have the Montergale, I have the Speedy 30 in here, and I do have the Saint Cloud, and might as well show you I have the wallet in here, this one, and I haven't cleaned this for a while. There's still papers in here. So alright, I'm not gonna show it to you one by one how I clean them, but I'm going to walk through how the step to clean it and what do you need. I mean, I'll probably go ahead to this one, the Montergale, and we do need a baby wipes, any baby wipes that water fragrance free and there's no alcohol in it, and it says here pH balance, so hypoallergenic. It's probably 99.9% water. This one, we need this. And so we do have, I am using a Apple brand leather cleaner, this one, and also we do need a conditioner. It's an Apple brand as well. I used before a Lexol and a leather honey. Over time, these several years mga loves, I noticed that this Apple brand is nicer and it's not sticky. I don't know, we all have a different preference, but this is the kind of leather cleaner and conditioner I'm going to use. But of course you can use a different kind of leather cleaner and leather conditioner that you wanna use. It's up to you. And also I have this in the pouch. This is like cotton. This is a pillowcases. If you have a t-shirt that you're not using anymore, go ahead, do that. You can cut them, and this is really good for cleaning because it's softer, so it won't hurt the canvas, I believe, in my opinion. And then if you have like extra thing for eyeglasses or sunglasses cleaner, it's also nice. Like for instance this one, it's soft, and that's fine. So right now let me show you cleaning this Montergale Louis Vuitton. I hope that I pronounce it correctly. Alright mga loves, so first let's use a baby wipes that I show you. So this is okay, Louis Vuitton use a leather over PVC. So PVC, though, the kind of PVC that they use is a very special one, and they don't change it over time. They stick to what kind of material they use. So this kind of leather, you have to clean them once in a while, at least after like 4 or 5 times usage. And so what we're gonna do is just clean it like that, And on my next video, I am going to show you how I clean also the brass or the hardware, because you know how they get like green or something like that and they oxidize over time. So clean it like that, and after you clean, you see there's a little spot, like, you know, it's a little dark in here because of the dirt. I can't even remember the last time I cleaned this. I think back in Colorado, like November or December. And then after that, you take like a white cloth and you just kind of pat it dry. Okay, it's pretty much, it's dry right now. Yeah, half dry. And then now we are going to use this the leather cleaner, and the one that I'm telling you, this cloth that I cut, I do this like once a year and just stuck them in any pouch that you have, so you know you have stuff for cleaning your purses. So I'm gonna took one, and once I use them, I just, you know, toss them. I'm not washing them. So I have few that I cut. This is how it looks like, because as what I've said, this is like the pillowcase. Let's just shake it a little bit. So this is the cleaner, okay? You don't need to super wet or soak them, and then you just pat it like that, and then you can start cleaning the canvas. I wanna wear a gloves and I'll be right back, okay? All right, my hand is clean. I washed my hand before I started filming, but I prefer to use a gloves, but it's up to you, it's optional. You don't need to be really gentle cleaning them, because we clean with this with the wipes already, if you remember. And then after cleaning, we're gonna use the other side of this, the dry side, like that, and the one on top, don't forget. Now I'm gonna use the other side of this cloth. There's like a dry side in here. Alright, let me show you. You see, it's not that dirty anymore because I wipe it off with the baby wipes first. So that helps as well. Now, I'm going to show you how I also clean the Baqueta leather before we condition the canvas. So you see, it's getting dark in here. It's normal when you're wearing it, you know, your hand from your clothes, and it's drying a little bit. It's right here as well. So this is the one I'm talking about, that it's really recommended to clean your Louis Vuitton once in a while after usage, few times at least. So now we are going to use the conditioner. So I am going to, all right, so we are going to use the conditioner right now. I am using the same cloth that we use for cleaning, but in the other side. So now by using the conditioner, you don't want to be using it a lot. So you just have to grab some of it, like almost 1 teaspoon, I believe, and you kind of scatter them all in the cloth, and then after that you can apply it in the bag. What's a good thing about using this leather cleaner, Apple brand, it's not changing the color of the canvas. You know, sometimes I used to have a Demi Azure Speedy 30, and I use a different one, Alexol. I just noticed that it darkens the canvas and I don't like it. I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I know I said I'm gonna show you how to clean the Vachetta leather, but I've changed my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and condition the bag first. So I took a little bit of amount of that conditioner and wipe it down here. Don't forget the one on top, and the rest of my process there, mga loves. It's the same thing, same process that I'm showing you right now, but to make this video short, I'm gonna show it to you. Again, you can use a different brand of conditioner. I was just trying to tell you my personal experience that the Apple brand is really nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. And now we are going to clean the Vachetta leather. So, alright mga loves, we did clean the canvas already, right? I was gonna just wait like 3 hours before to go on with the Vachetta leather again. I don't know how to pronounce it. Other people, they pronounce it differently, Vachetta or Vachetta. So this is the leather I'm talking about. The handle, all this, they are pretty much clean now and everything. I did clean also the Vachetta leather with this leather cleaner that we used yesterday. But now, since this is totally dry and clean, I am going to show you how to condition the Vachetta. I am going to start off with my St. Cloud, this one. So I took the thing that you put in here, like in the middle. I don't know how they pronounce it. As you can see, there's a little tarnish right here. That is probably because of the hardware, the brass. So this is very important as well, that you have to clean the brass, this one, but I am going to do a separate video on that. So right now I am going to use this like a microfiber cloth that I have, a small one. Again, you can use a cloth that is 100% cotton, any kind, like a shirt that you're not using anymore, you can cut them if you would like. So I am going to apply now the conditioner. I mean, if you are in a hurry, you can just wait like 2 or 3 hours. That should work. But if you're not in a hurry, I recommend to do it like overnight to make sure that it's really dry. And if you want to repeat the process a couple times, that's fine as well. I meant to tell you that, especially when you're not thinking to use them right away. Like me, I am not using it right away, so I can wait. So it's definitely darken a little bit after we condition it, but don't freak out. It's normal because you wet the leather. You see, it's a lot different than it was. I mean, this one, mga loves, no matter what I do, the dark spot is there because of the hardware, I believe, with this one. So now I'm gonna show you the other side. So when you clean the side here, you gotta do it like a circular motion. I advise you to do that so it has like you know, same or even color of patina. Again, when this dries up, it will dry eventually. It will go back to its regular color like a honey patina, like that, circular motion. There you go. And I did that here already. So it's good to condition your purses, mga loves, clean and condition them, because the longevity is guaranteed with that, and your purses will last longer and it's healthy because you condition the leather, right? So it prevents from drying and cracking. So this is the last piece that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just do circular motion like that. As what I've said, if you apply this, don't freak out if the bachera get darkened. It's normal because you wet the leather by this conditioner and it's gonna dry up. When it dries, the color will back to normal. Alright, love, so this is how it looks like right now after we clean them. So it looks very clean and shiny. So yep, I recommend you guys you know, clean your leather purses at least 2 to 4 times in a year depending on your usage. And it's just a personal preference. I really do like that Apple brand that I use. I tried few of a leather conditioner and cleaner. So far, the Apple brand, I like it a lot. I've been using it for like 6 or 7 years now, and they are being tested. As you can see, the bachera leather is a little wet still because it's been only like 30 minutes ago after we conditioned them. But I can guarantee you that it will dry up tomorrow. And by cleaning them also, by the way, your purses will look healthy and the longevity is guaranteed. Alright, love, so that's all for the video today. I hope you learned from this video, and if you do like it, give it a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. That truly means a lot to me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.